in the zone with it started with sawdust. How to use a circular saw and some epic safety tips. So grab your safety gear and look pretty. Let's dive in with common mistakes and how to fix them.
And this is very, very important.
An unsupported workpiece can pinch your precious saw blade. That can lead to kickbacks. Let's face common mistake number 2. You should check your surroundings, especially the area where you want to make a cut.
Back to the streets.
Support and ideally secure your workpiece and keep your eyes peeled for the surroundings. Then, there's nothing to worry about.